Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today, we're going to be making a mixed berry cobbler. So, let's jump right into it.
In a greased pie dish, put in your frozen or fresh mixed berries. Then drizzle a little lemon juice and put to one side. We'll come back to this later. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. Then, in another bowl, add your flour, baking powder, and a small amount of salt. Then whisk it all together so it's similar to have been put through a sieve. Well, in a second bowl, add your melted butter, brown sugar, and vanilla essence. Then beat it all together thoroughly. Back in your first bowl, empty your second bowl's contents into it and combine until you've got a doughish consistency. Bring back your pie dish with fruit and roughly scatter or scoop your cobbler mixture over the berries. Having done this, put it in the oven for around 30 minutes or until it turns golden brown. Once it's baked, serve after a few moments with your choice of ice cream or cream. I hope that you have enjoyed learning how to make this delicious mixed berry cobbler with me today, and don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you've not already. So until next time, enjoy the kitchen.